Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Sora 2 on Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're like me, you've gone to your Play Store, you've searched for Sora 2 like so, and nothing is appearing. Now what we can do is click out of that, open up a web browser, and then just Google Sora 2 download and then hit enter. Now from here we can see under apps Sora by OpenAI, so that's it there. So if we go in and click onto that, boom, this item is not available in your country. So I'm in Australia, so basically what Sora 2 is doing, basically the availability is limited. So the Android app rollout covers countries like the US, Canada, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Thailand and Vietnam so far. So if you're in a region like me where it's not yet released, you may not see the app in the Play Store. But if you are in one of those supported regions, we can go ahead and open up your Play Store or just do a Google search for Sora 2 and go in and click onto it, and you'll be able to download and install it. Now once installed, you want to open it and sign in using your OpenAI ChatGPT account, the same you use on your other OpenAI products. So yeah, just basically it will roll out eventually. You just got to wait until it rolls out to your country or region.